My dearest Eddie, there aren't many words in the dictionary to describe the level of work that you do um, on this plane and for our planet. The love that you have shines through in absolutely everything. And it truly is an honor and a blessing to have you in my life, being a very good friend and colleague. You are my soul brother. And your latest meditation, where you are sharing the beautiful energy of the amazing whales, is quite incredible. Having done that meditation a few times, it surprised me how deep it took me. Both times I did it, I was taken to another place at the exact same moment in the meditation. My dream state after having done that meditation was altered to such a deep level. And I must say that something within me really shifted. And thank you for that. I feel that the energy of the whales and the water is really needed at this time. I feel that most people don't realize just how connected we all are to water, and that actually this planet is fed by the energy of water. And when we look back at the ancient Lemurians and what has taken place on our planet, we know that there are some powerful beings that work through water that are supporting us at this time. I wanted to just tell you how deeply grateful I am for the meditations, and I look forward to more coming through. Keep shining, and thank you for everything that you do. I love you, I love you, I love you.